was the first President of the United States? Answer: George Washington. What does the U.S. Constitution do? Answer: the U.S. Constitution sets up the government, defines the government, and protects the basic rights of Americans. What are the two rights in the Declaration of Independence? Answer: life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? Answer: the United States and the flag. Who is in charge of the executive branch? Answer: the President. Name one branch or part of the government. Answer: Congress, the President, or the courts. Question: what are two parts of the U.S. Congress? Answer: the Senate and House of Representatives. Question: how many U.S. senators are there? Answer: 100. Question 9. Who writes federal laws? Answer: Congress. Question 10. What are two cabinet-level positions? Answer: answers will vary, but some examples include Secretary of State, Secretary of Defense, and Attorney General. Question 11. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? Answer: John G. Roberts, Jr. Question 12. What is one thing Benjamin Franklin is famous for? Answer: Benjamin Franklin is famous for many things, including being a U.S. diplomat, older member of the Constitutional Convention, and the first Postmaster General of the United States. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Answer: serving on a jury or voting in federal elections. What is one right only for United States citizens? Answer: the right to vote in federal elections. Question 15. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s. Answer: the Civil War, the War of 1812, or the Mexican-American War. Question 16. Name one problem that led to the Civil War. Answer: slavery, economic reasons, or states' rights. Question 17. Who did the United States fight in World War II? Answer: Japan, Germany, and Italy. Question 18. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? Answer: communism. Question 19. Name one U.S. territory. Answer: Puerto Rico, Guam, U.S. Virgin Islands, American Samoa, Northern Mariana Islands. Question 20. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II? Answer: Franklin Roosevelt. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? Answer: Civil Rights Movement. What major event happened on September 11, 2001, in the United States? Answer: terrorists attacked the United States. What is one thing Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for? Answer: fought for civil rights, worked for equality for all Americans, delivered the "I Have a Dream" speech. Name one Native American tribe in the United States. Answer: answers can vary as there are over 500 federally recognized tribes. Examples include Navajo, Sioux, Cherokee, and Apache. Question 25. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? Answer: because there were 13 original colonies. Question 26. Why does the flag have 50 stars? Answer: because there is one star for each state. Question 27. What is the supreme law of the land? Answer: the Constitution. Question 28. What are the first three words of the Constitution? Answer: we the people. What is an amendment? Answer: a change to the Constitution. What are two rights of everyone living in the United States? Answer: freedom of expression and freedom of speech. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? Answer: the Bill of Rights. What is one purpose of the U.S. Constitution? Answer: to provide a framework for government. Who does a U.S. Senator represent? Answer: all people of the state. What is the capital of the United States? Answer: Washington, D.C. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? Answer: the president. What does the president's cabinet do? Answer: advises the president. What is the highest court in the United States? Answer: the Supreme Court. How old do citizens have to be to vote for president? Answer: 18 and older. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Answer: July 4th. Who is the father of our country? Answer: George Washington. Who signs bills to become laws? Answer: the president. What is the economic system in the United States? Answer: capitalist economy. Name one branch or part of the government that is mentioned in the first article of the Constitution. Answer: the legislative branch. What are the two major political parties in the United States? Answer: Democratic and Republican. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? Answer: 2 years. Who was president during World War I? Answer: Woodrow Wilson. Who has the power to declare war? Answer: Congress. What does the judicial branch do? Answer: reviews laws, resolves disputes, decides if a law goes against the Constitution. Name one state that borders Mexico. Answer: California, Arizona, New Mexico, or Texas. Who is the current Speaker of the House? Answer: Kevin McCarthy from Republican Party. When was the Constitution written? Answer: 1787. What is the rule of law? Answer: everyone must follow the law, leaders must obey the law, and the government must obey the law. We elect a president for how many years? Answer: 4 years. Name one right freedom from the First Amendment. Answer: speech, religion, assembly, press, petition the government. Who was the president during the Civil War? Answer: Abraham Lincoln. Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States. Answer: Missouri River or Mississippi River. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States? Answer: Pacific Ocean. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? Answer: Atlantic Ocean. What is the capital of the state you live in? Answers will vary. Question 60. Who did the United States fight during the Revolutionary War? Answer: the British. What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803? Answer: the Louisiana Territory, also known as the Louisiana Purchase. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s. Answer: World War I, World War II, Korean War, Vietnam War, Gulf War. Name one of the authors of the Federalist Papers. Answer: James Madison, Alexander Hamilton, or John Jay. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? Answer: July 4, 1776. What did Susan B. Anthony do? Answer: fought for women's rights and for civil rights. She is known for her efforts to secure women's right to vote. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? Answer: give up loyalty to other countries, defend the Constitution and laws of the United States, obey the laws of the United States, serve in the U.S. military if needed, serve the nation if needed. Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived? Answer: American Indians or Native Americans. What is one important idea from the Declaration of Independence? Answer: people have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Who vetoes bills? Answer: the President. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? Answer: 9. Who is the current Vice President? Kamala Harris. What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? Answer: vote, join a political party, help with a campaign, join a civic group, join a community group, run for office, write to a newspaper. What is the introduction to the Constitution called? Answer: the Preamble. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? Answer: freed the slaves in the Confederate States. What did the Civil Rights Act of 1964 do? Answer: it ended segregation in public places and banned employment discrimination on the basis of race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? Answer: answers will vary. You would need to check who currently represents your state in the U.S. Senate. Name your U.S. representative. Answer: answers will vary. You would need to check who currently represents your district in the House of Representatives. Who becomes President of the United States if the President and the Vice President should die? Answer: the Speaker of the House. What is the name of the national anthem? Answer: the Star-Spangled Banner. How many amendments does the Constitution have? Answer: 27 amendments. Name one right or freedom from the First Amendment. Answer: speech, religion, assembly, press, petition the government. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Answer: declared our independence from Great Britain. What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves? Answer: Africans. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II? Answer: Franklin Roosevelt. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful? Answer: checks and balances, or separation of powers. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? Answer: provide schooling and education, provide protection, police, provide safety, fire departments, give a driver's license, approve zoning and land use. Who is the governor of your state now? Answer: answers will vary as they depend on the current governor of the applicant's state. What are 2 cabinet-level positions? Answer: Secretary of State, Secretary of Transportation, Secretary of Treasury, Secretary of Veterans Affairs, Attorney General, Vice President. What does the Constitution do? Answer: it sets up the government, defines the government, and protects the basic rights of Americans. What is freedom of religion? Answer: you can practice any religion or not practice a religion. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Answer: because they have more people. The number of representatives is based on state population. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? Answer: freed the slaves in the Confederate States during the Civil War. Who is considered the father of the Constitution? Answer: James Madison. When must all men register for the Selective Service? Answer: at age 18. Who was the first Secretary of Treasury? Answer: Alexander Hamilton. Who was the primary author of the Federalist Papers? Answer: Alexander Hamilton. Name one state that borders Canada. Answer: answers could include Alaska, Idaho, Maine, Michigan, Minnesota, Montana, New Hampshire, New York, North Dakota, Vermont, or Washington. What is the highest court in the United States? Answer: the Supreme Court. What is the name of the president's official home? Answer: the White House. Where is the Statue of Liberty? Answer: New York Harbor, Liberty Island.